In this episode, we go back to Mason-Dixon Barbecue in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, to the Ribs and Chicken Barbecue Boot Camp. In this video, you will see Roger Martin from Penn Avenue Meats show everyone and demonstrate how to spatchcock a chicken. Martin, owner of Penn Avenue Meats, a seasoned butcher with over 40 years of experience at the Mason-Dixon Barbecue Boot Camp, as he demystifies the art of spatchcocking a chicken. In this tutorial, Roger walks us through a straightforward, foolproof technique to spatchcock, also known as butterfly, a chicken, making it ideal for grilling and smoking. So you might ask, why do we want to spatchcock a chicken? Well, the primary reason we want to do that is it flattens the bird out so it lays very flat on the grill, and it makes all the meat about an even thickness so it cooks more evenly. This way you will achieve a perfectly cooked chicken with juicy breast and thighs without having to overcook one part or another. You'll be able to enjoy the irresistibly crispy skin with all that increased surface area and speed up your cooking time by about 25%. So come along and let's learn how to properly spatchcock a chicken so we can use this technique to get better results, whether we're grilling, pan frying, or any method that we're using, but get better results cooking our chicken. Let's tune in to Roger and see how he does it.
All days, we would just not that spatchcock. We would just cut this chicken right in half, like try to get the middle, and just cut through the backbone. Half the backbone's on quarter chickens. Remember quarter chickens? That's a really bad idea. To quarter chickens, really bad idea. It always served as storage. So the three-legged chicken, anybody remember a three-legged chicken? Is a big fat. What we do is we would take a leg and thigh and a breast, and we would add it to a whole chicken cut up. And so we had 3 legs of the chicken. So it's a chicken and a half is really what it was. But the other side of it would be a quarter chicken, had the whole backbone on it. So the three-legged chicken is actually a really bad idea from the home use thing. Good for the market. So the spatchcock, we're not going to cut this chicken up. To spatchcock it, we're going to do that finger behind the back. I'm a little bit narrow. I'm a little narrow on this. I couldn't see it. I guess I'm not going for a bike ride today. I didn't say why I did. So a spatchcock chicken is going to lay out flat. We're going to take the keel bone out of it. This one's behaving. I'm pressing, by the way, against the breast of the chicken, right where the keel bone is, here. I have found that if you run your thumb and your finger down the sides of it, it will come out whole, like that. It'll often break like that one did, but it'll come out whole like that. So now you have chicken to lay on your smoker that's going to be semi-boneless because you've taken the keel out. If you take the keel out, look how flat it is. That's pretty neat. And that's very useful because now you're going to deal with only turning one thing or dealing with one thing. It'll also hold more seasoning and stuff like that because it's all skin covered. There again, you could put, you could go in the top of it and spoon in. You can't cross over this line. This is actually fastened here in the middle. You can't pull the skin back from the middle. You can from the end. I'm going to do that. You see the pocket? So you could, your brown butter, your scallions, whatever you're doing, poultry seasoning, could go on that side and this side. And also on the thighs too. We'll lock the wings, keep it flat. Does that look easy? It is easy.
Did you file down the backbone or like along the side of it and then pull it out?
Both the sides.
Okay. Okay.
Both of the sides. This still has a piece of tail left on it. Yeah, this still has a piece of the back, and it shouldn't.
How much do you trim that?
It should come out whole, just like the backbone did on the other chicken. Kind of here's that oyster. And the oyster on this side is still here. You know, most of us use our knife wrong. We only do what I'm doing right now. But the best part of the knife happens to be next to the hammer. Now the whole backbone is completely removed. And the oyster's still on. The oyster's still on. Now it's even flat together.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching Roger demonstrate how to spatchcock a chicken. Roger is such an amazing butcher, and we always learn so much when we see him demonstrate how to cut up a piece of meat. So I hope you enjoyed our video today. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.